How's it going? This is John with Citymixr, CEO and founder. Small product demo for the TechCrunch Hackathon. A little nutshell about Citymixr. We are a platform for users to generate group deals on demand. Think of sort of like Groupon with Facebook. And our goal is to change the way businesses advertise by decentralizing advertising. So I'm going to show a quick example. As a bar, I'm going to log in and I'm going to set up group pricing unlocked at different sizes. And then I'm going to log in as a user and I'm going to use that pricing to create a birthday. So I'm going to set up my account and I'm logged in as a business right now. I just went to my dashboard. Here I can set up my profile, add a little venue details. Here's really our bread and butter. So this is where I'm going to spend a little bit of time showing off the group pricing. So for example, I can take an item on the menu and I can set up a discount where it's only unlocked at a group size of 20. So if I want to, I can set, let's do Mexican mules, one of my favorite drinks, and it's going to be an individual group. It's usually $12. We're going to make it half off for 60%, and we're going to set it up only on the weekends. I'm going to actually even make it only on the weekends at night. So it's set up for 20 people on the weekends at night, and I need 1 hour of notice period before the group shows up. All turnkey. I'm going to make it available for 2 hours, and I'm going to require users to join with $0, and I'm done. So I'm going to save that. I can add my team. I can link my bank, and I just set up my host program. So now I'm on the system. And I've just joined Citymixr. I've set up my host program, and I can see other people using this pricing, creating events, and filling up and unlocking these deals. So I'm going to go to my profile and show what that looks like. So this is my profile. Anyone can see, 20 people group up, unlocks these specials. I can see a calendar view of what's happening at this venue. I can see a little bit about Bar Stellar, the mixers that we've had there before, different followers following the space. So I'm going to switch to a member account, and I'm going to create a birthday party using that group pricing. So I know I can get 20 people together this Saturday. So I'm going to come to Citymixr and I'm going to find a spot that I want to go to. We've got 10 different verticals. So we've got anything to fit your mood. For a birthday party, maybe we'll select nightlife. Maybe we want to only see spots on the weekend and Friday. Maybe only for noon. We can do that. I can check out all the nightlife spots. I can modify when I want to do the mixer and all that. So I'm going to go back to my places. I'm going to select Bar Stellar, which we just made, and I'm going to select it to create a mixer. So I know I can get 20 people together, and I'd love to unlock these deals and go out with my friends. And Bar Stellar would love to have me group up and bring them new business. So I'm going to select Bar Stellar and select a time. Let's do Saturday from 10 to 11, and I can use their pricing. So I'm going to select all their pricing. I don't want to have to fill it up before 10 hours of the event. So I'm going to deselect that one. And I'm going to add B-Day Bash for John. And I'm going to add the categories, food and drink. The buy-in, like I said, this is to keep people to show up. So if I want people to join, maybe require them to put down $3 and make it a 100-person event. Max. Can't wait to see everyone there. There we go. Let's give it some flair. Yeah. Okay. All right. That'll work. And then we'll go to a summary, and this is going to say under 3 clicks without emailing the venue, without managing the venue, without showing up, without having to coordinate with the event coordinator or the general manager or the bar manager. I just created an event for 20 people. And I can even make money doing it. The bar's even happy enough to provide their space and share this deal special as a revenue generating opportunity for me to make some money on the side. So for bringing them that group, and for organizing that group, I can even make anywhere from $60 to $300 based on this group size, right? So let's say I want to keep it friendly and just zero it out. I can do that. That way I don't even need to add a card to accept those funds. And I'll select the post the event. So Here we are. We have the Mixer page in front of us. This is the link that I'd send to friends and get it to fill up. And once I do, it unlocks the specials and we notify the venue. It also shows up on the feed. We've got a map so we can show you where your friends are going to be in the future. You can see all these Barstellar events I've been creating, and you can see on the calendar these events are happening as well. I can configure this calendar to show me events only my friends are going to, right, and so forth. So I'm going to go back to the feed and I'm going to join it. So from here, I go to the BuzzFeed and I select that first event, B-Day for John. I'm going to buy in since it's $0. I don't need a card. I continue. I just joined. So there I am, joined on the event page. My name is Barstellar. And so that's joined. And I have my pass here, which requires me to check in. And once we check in, we can show the venue that we brought them these groups, these actual new customers, and they can see that in their dashboard. So we're bringing that bar 20 new customers. The bar's done no work. They just want set up group pricing. They're doing less, getting more. And I can even see the money I'm making from these events once it's unlocked. So we're really looking to revolutionize online advertising for these businesses. We're bringing groups to businesses, and we think this is really going to change the game. Thank you.